Introducing the revolutionary Ninja Foodi XL 2-basket air fryer, designed to elevate your culinary prowess and make cooking a breeze. This bigger and faster air fryer is equipped with XL 10-quart capacity, ideal for large family meals and entertaining. With 2 independent baskets and 6 versatile cooking functions, this kitchen marvel allows you to cook 2 foods, 2 ways, and finish at the same time. Say goodbye to back-to-back cooking with traditional single-basket air fryers, and embrace the convenience of the Ninja Foodi XL. Here are the key features of Ninja Dz401 Foodi 10-quart 6-in-1. DualZone Technology, a cooking innovation. The Ninja Foodi XL takes air frying to a whole new level with its exclusive DualZone technology. Choose between the Smart Finish feature, where you can cook 2 foods 2 ways simultaneously and have them finish together, or the Match Cook feature, effortlessly copying settings across zones for full 10-quart capacity meals. Enjoy the ultimate flexibility and efficiency in your kitchen. IQ Boost, unmatched cooking performance. With the IQ Boost feature, the Ninja Foodi XL optimally distributes power across each basket. Experience the lightning-fast cooking of a 6-pound whole chicken and side dishes when Match Cook or Smart Finish is not selected. Prepare delectable meals in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods. 6-in-1 functionality. Endless culinary creations. Unleash your inner chef with the Ninja Foodi XL's 6 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. From crispy delights to succulent roasts, this kitchen wonder does it all with ease and precision. XL family size capacity. Effortless entertaining. Hosting large gatherings has never been easier. The 10-quart capacity and 2 spacious baskets enable you to prepare main courses and sides simultaneously. Prepare quick, hearty meals for your entire family or indulge in delightful feasts without breaking a sweat. Separate heating zones, customized cooking perfection. Discover the convenience of 2 independent XL 5-quart zones, each equipped with its own cooking basket, cyclonic fan, and rapid heater. Say goodbye to overcooked or undercooked dishes and relish in evenly cooked, perfectly tender meals every time. Healthier, faster, and effortless cooking. Tired of traditional frying methods? Embrace the healthier way of cooking with the Ninja Foodi XL, which offers up to 75% less fat compared to deep-fried foods. Experience the speed of cooking 2 6-pound chickens up to 30% faster than a conventional oven. From frozen to crispy, enjoy mouth-watering meals in just 30 minutes. Easy cleaning for stress-free cleanup. The Ninja Foodi XL ensures hassle-free cleanup with easy-to-clean baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates. Spend less time on cleaning and more time savoring your delicious creations. What's included? Your complete culinary companion. When you choose the Ninja Foodi XL 2-basket air fryer, you get more than just an appliance. In the package, you'll find the DualZone air fryer, 5-quart baskets, non-stick crisper plates, 15 recipes, and additional meal options and cooking charts to inspire your culinary journey. Unlock the secrets of gourmet cooking with Ninja Foodi XL. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi XL 2-basket air fryer is a game-changer in the world of cooking appliances. Its cutting-edge features, larger capacity, and incredible cooking versatility will make your culinary dreams come true. Embrace healthier cooking, indulge in faster feasts, and enjoy effortless cleanup, all with this outstanding kitchen companion.